In this tutorial, we are discussing about array creation. So first see the examples. So in this example, we start by importing the array module, which provides support for creating and manipulating arrays. We initialize an array named ARR using the array.array function. The first argument I specifies the type code for the array, indicating that the array will contain integers. The second argument 1, 2, 3 initializes the array with the values 1, 2, and 3. The second argument list of 1 to 3 initializes the array with the values 1, 2, and 3. And we use a for loop to iterate over the elements of the array. During each iteration, we print the value of the array element in the at index I. The output of the code will be elements of the array printed horizontally separated by the spaces. And in the next example, we start by defining. Uh, we start by defining the name. List called names containing 5 strings elements. Michael, White, and other names. And we use slicing notation 0 to 2 to extract the sublist from names. The slice notation 0 to 2 specifies that we want to start from index 0 inclusive and stop at index 2, the exclusive, and therefore the sublist extracted contains elements at indices 0 and 1, which are Michael and White. And we print the extracted sublist using the print function. So uh, here the output of the code will be the Michael and White, which represents the sublist containing the first 2 elements of the names list. In the next example, we have a list called names containing 5 string elements: Michael, White, Jim, Kevin, and Andy. And we use a for loop to iterate over a slice of the names list specified by names of uh, I mean from all the the slice indexing. So names of /2, the slice 0 to 2 extracts the first 2 elements of the list, that is Michael and White. And next, within the loop, we print each name after converting it to title case using the title method. This capitalizes the first character of the each word in the name, and the output will be the following. So in this tutorial, we are discussing the 3 examples of array creation. So thank you guys.